Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Tuesday. It's Tuesday. And yesterday, the market was not really moving that crazy. But yes, we did something. But again, the market did sell off again. But actually, the market is still playing around the same level. Actually, we can call it the support area. And guess what, guys? You can easily see that we have that 12-month special, which is going to end actually this month, because I do this mostly just to make people to be to be in the group so that we can eat together. If you want to be part of the team, let me know, because this is just limited. You can see that actually we're just doing this for everyone. So the aim is for me, actually, what I want is when we go live on YouTube, I want to make it private so that I can only go with people who already paid for that. So yes, let me know if you want to be part of the team. You can just check the link below for WhatsApp, or maybe just use the numbers there for Telegram or WhatsApp. The same thing, actually. So yeah, let's see what's really happening on the market. We need to make it quick, or before you can see that we have Xmas there. If you want to be part of that, it's quite easy to join. The link is also below, and it's a very nice, simple broker to use, actually. And you can start to trade NASDAQ from $10, which means actually the lot sizes that they use is actually micro or mini lots, so something like that. So let's go straight to the analysis, or before we do that, let's go straight to the break, because we need to do what? We need to eat. Traders Central sponsors this video or stream. Traders Central provides funding for traders and recently introduced a pop-up shop on their platform that allows you to purchase packs like to skip stage 1 or 2 on your challenge, 50% commission reduction, a deeper drawdown percentage. Sign up now using the link in the description to get up to 30% off on your first plan and enjoy the pop-up shop. Okay, thank you for that. So yeah, I can see I'm a bit late. It's 1:11. I just did the time just to make our job very easy. So you can see the time that there you can see the time. Obviously, that can help you actually to see the time difference, because we are from different places, different countries, and different time zones. You see. So without wasting your time, we are on Bitcoin. Bitcoin. I even forgot to open the pen. I forgot to open the pen, but it's here. So what's really happening on Bitcoin? I hope you can see this. The market is been actually pushing down for some time. The market has been actually pushing down for some time, for serious. You can see this thing has been selling. So we can actually see that yes, the market is actually on this crazy sell. The market is actually on this crazy sell, and we can easily see that, you know what, the market is not trying to bounce back anytime soon. So if we go closer there, if we push closer, you can see that, you know what, yes, the market actually is still doing that. We had a small actually push to the upside, but that was not sustained for a longer time. We saw the market trying to break this area. So it seems like this area might be our next resistance, and the market can touch that and start to push lower. I hope you can see that. I hope you can see that. So yeah, I'm expecting the market maybe to keep pushing lower, but it seems like around this area also we also have something, but we will see. Currently, the market is showing us that, you know what, I'm going down. So let's push to the next one. Let me remove this. Let me remove that. So let's push to the next one, which is this one moved very nice, which is German 40 DAX. So what's really happening here is we are still on that downtrend. We are still on this downtrend. But you know what? Around that level where the market was selling, you can see the market was seriously selling. And around that area, I did point out that area as a potential support. and that the market did actually touch that and start to push the upside. Yes, that doesn't change the fact that yes, we are still on that downtrend. So what I'm expecting here is I'm still expecting the market to push lower. The market is back where it was before we saw some crazy sell off. Then maybe the market will touch this area and start to do what? To push lower. Do you see that? So this might be similar to this before pushing lower, but anything can still change. We can even throw the resistance like that, and that maybe might still make sense. But for now, yes, we are still on that downtrend. Yes, this push is there just to help us to see actually where we can find that support, but at the end of the day, we're still gonna go down. You see, we're still looking for that bearish move. So let's move to the next one. As I'm making this thing very quick, very quick on this because we later on we're still gonna go on our live session. So this is just for you to get like just to update you. That's just to update you. So on gold, I think it's still straightforward on gold. You can easily see that yes, the market is still actually pointing lower. The market is actually still pushing lower. You can see, oh sorry. You can see that the market is actually pushing lower. Do you see that? So we are still on that downtrend, which means the market is actually doing what? Pushing lower and lower. So I'm still expecting the market to do what? To go lower as a US dollar is quite stronger. Currently, US dollar is quite stronger. So which means around this area, you can see I had something there. It means if I go closer, or maybe if I can say, let's use 1 hour for now, you can see that around that area, we have another potential very nice sell that we can get around that area. We can get a very nice area to do what? To keep us selling. You can see actually I'm supposed to, yeah, I already sent this signal yesterday, which means they are in smaller profit. So I thought maybe I should just send the signal now, but I forgot that I already sent. So I'm still expecting the market to push lower and lower. So what I'm gonna do is I can just take this here, that maybe you can see, but it's a very small profit. Yes, but it's fine as we still expecting the market to push lower. Maybe the market will reach around this area before maybe we see another push to the upside. So let's go back to 4 hours time frame so that you can see what's really happening. I'm expecting the market maybe to come back and reach this area as we expect the market to push lower. You see? So let's push to the next one. Don't forget that $20. I think I did speak about this $20 group that I created. I think I created it last week or last week. So it's still on. It's still $20. You get everything. It's 12 months. It's 12 months signal. So if you want to be part of that, just let me know because we're supposed to eat together. What's really happening on US oil, I think, is quite straightforward. We are on this, we were on this downtrend, which was straightforward, and we were busy selling. Guess what? Now the market just broke out of that. Now I'm expecting the market to do what? To keep pushing higher as we start to see that the market actually is changing the direction. Since the market broke out of here, the market came back and retested here very nicely, and now the market is trying to push the upside. So our job is to go closer and see what's really happening. What I see is it's quite straightforward. I think the market actually here, I'm expecting the market to bounce back and to push the upside. Yes, we were on smaller profit yesterday, but now it seems like the market is coming back again here to retest, but I'm expecting the market to keep pushing higher and higher. Yes, we are still bullish on US oil. So let's push to the next one. Now we are on US30. What's really happening on US30? You can easily see that yes, the market is actually on that. Still, we had some crazy sell, obviously, but I'm expecting maybe the market to recover a little bit. I'm still expecting the market to recover a little bit as we are actually on smaller. I can't say it's crazy bearish, but I think this is much better to say as long as we did not break this support, we still expect the market to push up, but there's still a room for the market to go lower and reach this area before pushing up again. I hope you see that. So yeah, we don't really have to waste much time here. I think everything is just straightforward. And yeah, later on, actually yesterday, I did send something in the group. Yeah, but it seems like the market is still playing games around that area. I think the market is actually waiting for NFP. Don't forget that this Friday that we have NFP. That might move the market to go like seriously crazy. So let's see what's really happening on NASDAQ. So on NASDAQ, we have some also great stuff. We are on uptrend, very nice uptrend. Yes, we know the market did sell off on Friday, but it seems like the market it's about to change that. It seems like the market is about to change that. You can see easily here, like let's see here, you can see that the market was trying to push the upside. So let me just remove all this. Let me remove all this, because now it shows that the market is actually respecting that. So I'm willing to hold a little bit until maybe the market tries to push the upside. So if we go closer there, you will see that yes, the market just touched that support area, and now we're expecting the market to go to the moon. But especially on these candlesticks, I think the market, this aggressive move here, I think the market will try to recover that. I think the market has to recover that before we start to see maybe some normal moves or some sort of consolidation. But for now, I think the market will start to push to the upside. So let's try to check maybe S&P 500. Okay, S&P 500 is quite similar to what we saw on US30. So yeah, thank you very much. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Like, share with your friends. Later on, we're gonna meet here. Later on, we're gonna meet here before the market open. So thank you very much. Thank you very much. So don't forget what you see on the screen. Then it's limited. It's limited. So for you to be part of the team, you know what to do. Thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. Pow.